Hi mamas, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making that delicacy, one and only Ayamase sauce, aka designer stew or Ofada rice sauce. Gosh, I have been planning on making this and sharing this with you guys. Today I've finally gotten the time to do that. So guys, the chief ingredients we're going to be using to make this sauce is nothing but green pepper. So gather different kinds of green pepper that you can think of. Just bring it to the table and let's get cooking. It is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all mamas out there, phenomenal mamas, potential mamas. We are so grateful for today. May God bless us for this wonderful task we do in our family. Amen. Just take a look at that. Yummy. So guys, here is our green pepper. Just gather any type of green pepper you see in the store, and I don't really know their names, but I will try. This one, I don't know the name of this. This one is called finger pepper. It looks like fingers. And this is our regular green bell pepper. And here we have banana pepper, looking like banana. And I'm gonna be using some scotch bonnet, spicy one here. So guys, let's get cooking. First of all, you remove the seed, wash and remove the seeds, and blend everything. Don't forget your onions, ginger and garlic. Blend everything together, guys. Pour everything in the pot, let it cook, let it dry, let the water dry completely, getting it ready for frying. So for that, let's get our protein ready, and here we're going to be using some chicken. Let's spice it up. Have some onions, some thyme, garlic powder, garlic and ginger, seasoning cubes, basil, salt. Just spice your chicken the way you want. Mix them together and cover the pot to marinate for like an hour or two. You know I've done this before now. Just whatever works for you. And here, of course, we're going to be boiling some hard-boiled egg to garnish our sauce. There is no Ayamase sauce without hard-boiled egg. No. So this sauce will never be complete without the egg. Have to boil it, let it cook. Put your cooked egg in cold water, ice water, to let it cool up. So the next step is we're going to prepare our onions, ginger and garlic to fry our pepper. Add some cooking oil into the pot. Enough quantity you need, just depending on the quantity of your pepper, and let it heat for some minutes Add your ginger and garlic, fresh ginger and garlic. Add your onions. I love seasoning my onions, so I'm just gonna season with some salt, thyme, and curry powder. So it gives it extra flavor and extra taste. Just try it if you don't. It does not even need a lot of seasoning, just your salt, thyme, and curry. Allow the onions to cook a little bit. I have added some salt, thyme, and curry. Now let's leave the onions to cook a little bit before adding our pepper. This is our pepper. We're gonna go ahead and just add it into the cooking pot. To fry. As it's frying, we are going to be stirring it up so that it don't burn. Okay. I took off some oil, so I'm going to take more, and let's add more spices. This is crayfish, thyme, curry, basil, no, yummy.
It smells yummy.
Yeah, it does. Let's add our chicken. And I'll try and take out some of this oil that is here because I wouldn't want too much of it. This sauce is getting interesting as we are going, and very soon everything will be done. Let's add this egg. and cover. Let it shimmer for some minutes. Guys, we are almost there. We are getting there. Our sauce is almost ready. Yeah. Already food lovers, just take a look at that. Niger gets food show. Okay, so go ahead and serve with your Ofada rice or white rice. Enjoy your food, guys. You need to enjoy your food because you merited this. So if you have watched to this point, I'm so grateful. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like this video if you've not liked. Join our family, our YouTube family, by subscribing. Share this video with your friends and family. Please do not forget to turn the notification bell button in order to get notified whenever I post my video. Have a lovely day. This food tastes so yummy, guys. Give it a try if you have not tried this Ayamase sauce before, aka designer stew. Have a blessed Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day once again. Bye bye.